Hello guys, so I'm baking now. As you can see that one, so I don't know if I want to show you this. So that's the food, and I bake that one. So that's my husband's food. That's our dinner for tonight. Yeah, guys. Yeah, kung mayroon kayong husband na foreigner, like like me, kailangan matuto na talaga kayo magluto. Before, hindi naman ako ganyan eh. Natuto lang, try and error lang. So, before, hindi ko alam yung mga ganyang bagay. And then, tingin sa YouTube, search ng mga Europe recipe. So, hindi ganyan ako noon. So, yung mga kaibigan ko din na nagluluto. So, tatanong din ako. Yan. Yan po ang sikreto, matyaga ka lang. So, this is our oven. Medyo malaki siya, guys. So, yan. Okay, guys. Yan. This is the food that I told you. Ito siya. So, nilipat ko dito. Yeah, this is the food I mentioned earlier.